How to fix Instagram story music not working. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open your Instagram. Click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Click on the three bars at the top right corner. And then click on Settings. Click on Account. Scroll all the way down and you'll see Switch Account Type. So what you'll need to do is switch from a creator account to a personal account. So click on Switch Account Type and you'll see the option of Switch to Personal Account. Now once you have a personal account, this should fix Instagram story music not working. If it is still not working, then go over to your Play Store, type Instagram at the search bar at the top, and if you see the update option where mine is saying open, click on update and it will update to the latest version. Once it is updated to the latest version, then this should fix your problem. So this is how to fix Instagram story music not working. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.